Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to share the internet from your Mac to your iOS device via USB or Bluetooth. This method allows you to use the internet on your iOS device via USB or Bluetooth. This method is easy and simple. All you have to do is enable internet sharing from settings. Okay, to do this, first go to System Preferences. Okay, now go to Sharing. Now here go to internet sharing option. Okay, here you need to choose the source of the internet that you want to share. Just choose from where you want to share the internet. You can choose Ethernet or from Wi-Fi or other. As you can see here, I'm using Wi-Fi, so I will choose Wi-Fi. If your Mac supports the Ethernet connection, you can share the internet via Wi-Fi for all devices. Okay, now here you will find several options to share the internet with the devices that you have. As you can see, here I have an iPhone USB option. Just enable this option so that you can use the internet on your iOS device via USB. If you don't find this option here, all you have to do is open iTunes, then connect your iOS device to your Mac. Once you see the Trust banner on your iOS device, click Trust. After that, you should find the iPhone USB option here. If you have an iPad, you will find it here as iPad USB. Just enable the option you want. Now here, if you want to share the internet via Bluetooth from your Mac to your iOS device or even Android, just enable the Bluetooth pen option here. When this option is enabled, you will be able to access to the internet on your iPhone or iPad or even Android via Bluetooth only. Okay, now enable the internet sharing option. Click on the small box here. As you can see, are you sure you want to share the internet? Just click Start. As you can see here, internet sharing is on. Now connect your iPhone or iPad to your Mac via USB and you should be able to access to the internet on your iOS device. Okay, I will connect my device now. Okay guys, my device is now connected to my Mac. Now I should be able to use the internet via USB. As you can see, I will turn off the Wi-Fi. As you see here, the cellular data is also turned off. Now you should be able to use the internet on your iOS device via USB. Okay, as you can see here guys, the internet works on my iOS device via USB. Now I will try to open any page. As you can see, the internet is working successfully via USB. I will do a search on Google to try the internet. Okay, the internet works via USB and there is no problem. Also, as you see here, Wi-Fi is closed and the cellular data is also closed. This is a very easy way to use the internet via USB on your iOS device. Okay guys, now I will show you how to use the internet via Bluetooth. This is also a good way to share the internet from your Mac via Bluetooth. Okay, to do this, open Settings on your iOS device or on Android device. Now go to Bluetooth. Okay, here enable Bluetooth. Of course, you can use an Android or iOS device to access the internet via Bluetooth. Here at the bottom, you will find the new devices. Just choose and connect your device to your Mac. I already connected my Mac before, so I will connect it directly from here. As you can see, my device is now connected via Bluetooth to my Mac. Okay, as you can see here, my device has been disconnected. This is a completely normal, don't worry guys. If your iOS device is connected to another Bluetooth device, disconnect it, then connect your iOS device to your Mac. If it continues to be disconnected, just restart your iOS device. As you can see, my device is now connected. Now I will go to Safari. Now I should be able to use the internet automatically via Bluetooth. And boom, as you can see, now I can use the internet on my iOS device via Bluetooth. Make sure guys that you have the connection sign at the top here. When you see this sign, it means that your device is connected via Bluetooth and you can use the internet via Bluetooth. Of course, this matter is not limited to iOS only. You can connect an Android device to your Mac via Bluetooth, and you should be able to use the internet on your Android device. This method is good if the Wi-Fi doesn't work on your iOS device or you suffer from a problem with the Wi-Fi on your iOS or Android device. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also make sure to follow me on TikTok. And also guys, make sure to follow me on Instagram. I will upload the videos to my TikTok account, so be sure to follow me there. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace.